This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Julie Liebler. Only a few blocks from the ocean. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is located in the sought-after Bay Colony neighborhood. Open floor plan with hardwood floors throughout the living area. First floor kitchen with granite counters and stainless appliances, spacious living room with gas fireplace, dining room, sunroom, and flex room. Second level primary suite, 2 additional bedrooms, and a laundry room. This home offers so many improvements: new roof, 2021, 15 SEER HVAC unit, 2014, 40-gallon gas water heater, 2016, new washer and dryer, 2021, and a new dishwasher, 2021. Relax on your back deck with views of Crystal Lake. Outdoor hot/cold shower and so much more. Close proximity to the country club and award-winning restaurant.